crossing and look at the cowls, the big round things at the side of the lights. Less gas, risk is getting a little higher. No brake, no, you don't need to brake, but you need to adjust your speed for risk. And you've steered away from that one rather than going around. Go around your curb, not away from the line. Around your curb and eyes up. Nice job. Did you see those round things on the side of the crossing? So that's how you can tell when it's a Pelican. Okay, if it doesn't have them, it's one of the new types, the Puffin or the Toucan. Do you know who can use a Toucan crossing? Cyclists as well. Two can cross, so cyclists and pedestrians. Alright? And we actually have one of them a little touch further up that we can show you. Risk a little higher. It is a bit, isn't it? Well done. Good. Well done. Now, pay special attention to the next crossing. There is someone there, so it could change, but look at the boxes. They have been pressed on our side of the road. Look at the right side of the road. There's a little one with a red light on. Be careful. This girl's pressed it. Great. Go to the line. Come to a stop. Put your handbrake on. Into first. It should sense that she's finished and then change ours and let us go shortly. Look at the other boxes, off we go. Look at the other boxes to the left of her. There's a picture of a cyclist on also. Cyclists are allowed to ride across that type of crossing. That's a Toucan. And it couldn't have actually changed at a better time for us, could it? Does that all make sense?
Yeah.
Good. Well done.